Hi and welcome to a series of spoken English. We are dealing with words, vocabulary, and expression concerning work. And we have reached a sixth lesson. Let us proceed to this lesson and see what are the words or the vocabulary and expressions related to work and what is the understanding pertaining to it. The very first phrase that we have is at work, and the word or vocabulary is shift. Let us see what is the meaning of it one by one and what do we understand when this phrase is used. When you are talking to someone and he or she uses at work or shift, what does it mean? Let us see the meaning one by one. At work means working. Suppose you give a call to someone and all of a sudden he says that, excuse me, I'm at work. It doesn't mean that he is giving his global position of where he is located at that very moment. It means that he's on the job, he's on duty, he's working. It's a very courteous way of saying, please call me again sometime later. Right now I'm on the job and I'm working. At work means working. Shift is the duration when the workers are in a factory, for example, in a hospital, at work or working. Examples are, don't disturb the laborers, they are at work. That means they are working. Are you on? Please make a note of this. Are you on the night shift or the day shift? The preposition that is used with the shift is on. Let us proceed. And some more words and expressions. Apply for a job. Apply for a job. He has applied for a job at the university. That means he has given his resume or the CV and he wants to work for that place. So that is the meaning of apply for a job. On the job. It's in idiomatic English. On the job means working or busy. I'm on the job right now. Please tell me how many workers are on the job. I'm on the job right now. I'll talk to you later. That means I'm working right now. I'll talk to you later. On the job over here in the first example means, please tell me how many workers are on the job means how many workers are working at the moment. Leave a job means to discontinue, to give up one's job or not to continue with the job anymore. He has decided to leave his job. I'm working for a new job. That means I'm looking for a new job means I'm looking for a suitable situation or a job or a position. Out of a job. Out of job means unemployed or jobless. He has been out of a job for months. Take a job. Take a job means accept a job. Example, I have taken the job of a clerk. Lose one's job. Lose one's job means no longer work on that position anymore. He has lost his job. Let us continue. Lay off. It's a very common word these days due to the economic conditions. The businesses are not doing very well and certain businesses are not able to meet their operational cost and they are not able to manage those workers on the job. So they are laying them off. What is the meaning of laying them off? Let us find out. If someone has been laid off, then he has been told by his company to leave the job due to operational reasons. And in this duration what happens is, usually a person is not paid, a person has the option to wait for months for to be absorbed back, or the person has the option to look for another job and discontinue from that company. In private companies, sudden layoffs are very common. Example sentence, I have been laid off for a few months due to less business. They have laid off 50 workers. The company has decided to lay us off for 2 months. He has been laid off for a month. What would you do if you get laid off? Would you start looking for a new job? I hope the structure is understood in the way how the word lay off is used. Lay off means that a person is no longer required in that company. He is not paid for that company, by that company, and it does not mean fired. Fired has a different meaning to being laid off. Laid off has a connotation with redundant. That means the person is not required by that company anymore. Let us proceed. Rise and raise. It is used in connotation with the word increase in salary. Raise is used in American English. Rise is used in British English. Rise or raise. Raise is used in American English. It means an increase in wages or salary. They're expecting a rise of about 50 rupees a month. They are expecting a raise. See, I changed the word rise to raise. They are expecting a raise of 100 dirhams a month. Government employees are agitating. Agitating means getting angry and protesting. Agitating for a rise in their salary. I'm looking forward to a raise. This means an increase in salary or salary being restructured. It is completely different from the word increment, which we'll see shortly. On a par with. On a par with. On a par with means equal to or at the same level. Example, our wages should be on a par with those of government teachers. I'm looking for a job where I'm on a par with my cousins in terms of pay. On a par means equal. Let us proceed. Parity. Parity. Parity means equality or being at par. Example, they are on strike for parity of pay. We want pay parity with fellow workers. Parity means equality. Perk or perks. The word perk, usually it is used in the plural form. It means advantages that you get in terms of pay, benefits. Certain people get a furnished apartment, certain people get a mobile, certain people get transport or the vehicles supplied by the company, and certain people get their wards fees paid off by the company. Certain companies give medical insurance. These are different perks that comes with the salary package. It is called a package. So let us see the examples with the word perk or perks. There are good perks with jobs offered by multinational firms. The employee will get a furnished house, a car, and a cell phone as perks with his job. I hope the meaning of perks is understood. Let us proceed. Increment or increments. The word increment, the meaning is that the amount that you get with your salary every year. That means the additional amount that you get with your salary at the end of the year. It is based on your performance and it is given to the employee year after year. It's a very small percentage of your basic salary. The salary is rupees 8,000 per month. In addition, you will have an increment of rupees 100 annually. Annually means at the end of the year or per year. Let us proceed.